In this tutorial, we'll show you how to download and use the DealScan mobile app. It's quite simple and incredibly convenient. On your iPhone, head over to the App Store. On an Android, you'll find the app in your Google Play. In this instance, we're using the App Store. Search for DealScan, capital D, E-A-L, capital S, C-A-N, tap and install. Once installed, tap on the DealScan app and then enter your username and password, then tap Login. The first thing that comes up is your dealership key points of interest. They'll come up and you'll see your daily or monthly goals, and it'll give you a snapshot of where your numbers are in relationship to those goals at that particular time in the month. So in this example, 10 new units and $19,000 in front-end gross. Now swipe and you'll find your menu where you'll find several options. One of the first things you might want to do when you log in is check your tasks. Tap and it will show a task list of what you're going to need to do for that day. In this example, June Rains purchased a car, and now we're going to do our 3-day follow-up. We can text message her, we can call, or we can email her directly from the mobile app. Other options for customer contact are birthday calls, a 7-day follow-up call, a 60-day follow-up call, and a 1-year anniversary call. There could also be other types of calls you might want to initiate, such as reminders of free oil changes or car washes or other types of calls that would be assigned by the sales manager. Now, let's take a look at how a salesperson could use this on the lot. When a customer arrives on the lot, you're going to want to get a new deal and then follow your meet and greet process of your store. It's suggested that you first take care of their trade-in vehicle so that your used car manager can access the trade while you're picking out a new car. This is so that the sales manager can see what's going on with the process through their desktop application. It also enables the sales manager to provide the customer with a pencil or presentation within seconds of arriving back from the test drive. To begin the trade-in appraisal process, you would scan the VIN barcode on the trade. The vehicle information autofills into the app. Next, after the customer has found the new vehicle that they like, the salesperson will scan in the barcode on that vehicle's window sticker, and it will also autofill the vehicle's information as well. At this point, the salesperson should have performed a great walk around and the customer is ready for a test drive. You're going to scan in their driver's license to make sure they have a valid license. You can also scan in the co-driver's license as well. In case this process is taking place at night, the app utilizes the phone's flashlight in order to scan. The great thing about DealScan is that the salesperson is having a virtual communication with their sales manager at the sales desk all throughout the entire process. For example, the salesperson can let the sales manager know that this customer is an internet customer and saw the vehicle on the dealership's website. This helps to track your customer base. In the next tutorial, we'll discuss how the sales manager uses this information from the DealScan mobile app to work up the deal for the customer in the DealScan desktop application.